Sweet. Oh my God. I have horrible memories of this one. It smells awful, but it's very good.
Very good. This is the wild pinda. When
Ah.
we're doing tonic, when we can put it into it. And this one now is the cassava marble. See the little marble on it there?
Ah.
Here's the marble.
Oh, yes. Here it is. Yes, it is.
First time.
For original first time tomato.
Yes.
Who remember this?
Yes. This is tomato. I just see this thing go up and it was mom's time.
Oh.
And a lot of people get benefit.
Oh, lovely.
Yes. This is they call it Fatten Barrow. See?
Wild color, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Jamal family, how you do? All right, so this is actually a very impromptu video. You remember Miss Ina? We did the papaya, yes, and the sarsaparilla video.
Yeah.
I'm still at her house and I'm doing this for you guys. She has a lot of plants and herbs and stuff growing around her yard here. And I thought I'm gonna just show you, give you a glimpse of what she has here, right? So we're gonna do a quick run through so you can get an appreciation of them. I want to hear if there's any that jump out at you. Feel free to drop it in the comments so we can engage with each other. All right. So let's go. So here she is again.
Yes.
Miss Ina, I'm looking at you.
Yes. Hi.
All right, good.
Yes.
She has a lot of plants here, I told her. So
Yes.
we're gonna start right away because we're not joking.
We have the cow foot here.
Yes.
Leaf here is good for cold and coughing. Yes, when you cough.
Yes.
Yes, and we have
that's the cow foot leaf.
The cow foot leaf.
Oh, by the way, while we're walking, guys, I'll show you.
Yes.
Some fruits as well. You have banana here.
Yes.
You have coconut here. This is the lady's house backyard we're talking about. That's Aki in the background there. This is pear. A pear tree here.
Yes.
It's not fruiting yet, but it's a pear.
Yeah.
Of course, this is the sarsaparilla in the video we covered.
Yes.
This is
St. Vincent Birch.
St. Vincent Birch. You know it has never died.
Yes. Never died.
This is guinep.
Yes.
Oh, guinep plant. Nothing on there yet. More banana. Passion fruit over there. This is.
And this is arrowroot.
Arrowroot.
Yes.
Those who remember arrowroot, not none of them.
One?
That is
This one is wild hops.
Wild hops. Yes, wild hops. I remember that one.
Yes.
By the way, we have another herb tour video in the description, guys. But I couldn't help it. I had to show you this one.
Yes.
This is
fever grass.
Fever grass, the boss.
Good for fever.
Good for fever.
Very good for fever.
Yeah, and cold as well. Inflammation in general.
Inflammation. And
it's a mango tree here.
Yes.
And
this is the chiganet.
Chiganet.
Yes.
Is that running through?
Yes, and it's good for tonic also. Yes. And this is the wild pinda. When we're doing tonic, when we can put it into it.
Wild pinda.
So help. Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Let me know which of them you can relate to, guys.
Yes. And this is the orela.
What is that now?
Orela.
It's a flower.
It's just like a
hibiscus.
Yes, but it's good for flu. Orela.
What you saying?
Yes, and this one now is the cassava marble. See the little marble on it there? Here's the marble.
Yes. Here it is.
It's the marble.
Yes. Cassava marble.
Yes.
Yes. And what is that good for?
Herb. It's good for prostate
issues.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
I see guava here. If I see them, I'm gonna identify them too. Right.
And this one is the
dandelion. Of course.
Yes.
The root is good. The leaf is good.
Yes.
The beans or whatever is good.
Yes. Don't have any dry beans here. This one is
the fruit of the dandelion as well.
Yeah, that one is blooming, ready to bear.
What is this? I know this one. This is my friend.
Comfrey.
Comfrey. We do a video on Comfrey. There's a link in the description to Comfrey video as well, guys. She has it. Yours look really nice, man.
Yes.
We have one a struggle, man.
Really?
Yes. Maybe because of the joke the other day. I'm in the town, you know, so you know that.
Okay.
There's another one. Beautiful. This is powerful stuff, you know. This Comfrey here for joint, and muscle.
Gaita.
Gaita as well?
Yes, gaita.
Oh, nice. How do you use it for gaita?
You just get it green, beat it up, place it where the lump is. Yes.
I know it's good for muscles and like broken feet and so on. You put it on it. People have some amazing testimony about this thing here. Make sure you see that video, guys.
Yes,
seriously.
where the gaita is. but you have to get it green.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
And this one is the star fruit.
Sugar cane here. I can't resist that. All right.
Cane.
Star fruit.
Ah,
And
it's blossom.
Blossom.
Oh,
Woo.
wow.
Beautiful, beautiful,
Yes.
beautiful, beautiful.
Blossom.
I need
Yes.
to take a picture of this. Wow, let me see. This is pretty. Bunch of beautiful flowers as well here.
Yes. We have
She
mint.
has here as well, guys. Beautiful flowers. I see one here. Okay.
Yes, that
Dark
is
blood.
dark blood.
Menstrual woman issues.
Yes.
I know this one too. This is the fruit.
Fruit. The sour custard apple.
Custard apple. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Oh, this is a familiar friend.
Mint.
Mint, Jamaican
Yes.
mint or
Peppermint.
peppermint. Yes, yes.
Yes. It's bird pepper. People use the bird pepper too.
This is a bird pepper.
Yes, it's a bird pepper.
Yes,
tree.
man. A basis too.
Yes, yes.
This I use a lot of it.
Just
Good for circulation.
Yes, just follow one.
Swallow
seed.
one. Yes, yes.
Daily.
I swallow like 3 though.
Oh, 3 one time?
Yes, man.
Okay. This is the fit
Oh,
weed.
gongo peas, guys. Gongo
Yes.
peas. Can't miss that.
This is the fit weed.
Where the fit? Oh, fit weed. Oh my God. I have horrible memories of this one. It smells awful, but it's very good.
Very good.
Very. When I say good, this is very good. It has
Yes.
an awful smell. You know, I almost say
You're going
almost
back
like
on
a
it.
death smell. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. It have a smell. It's painful. You know what I mean? But I know. But it's good. It's good. I'm glad to see you cultivating it here, Miss.
Yes, it
Miss-
grew up
Miss-
a lot.
Yeah, man. We have a link. We have a link to a video we did that included that as well. These are
Okay.
some baby okras,
Yes.
okra plants. Good.
And this one is strong back.
This
It's
is
a type of strong back.
another strong back.
Yes,
Ah.
yes, it's a type of strong back.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yes, and this they call this bright eye.
Bright eye.
Yes, it's a herb. Good for your eyes.
Good, good, good.
Yes, this is another mint. Sweet mint.
Sweet mint.
Yes. And this is a marigold.
This is a marigold.
Yeah,
There's
marigold.
there's marigold and there's marigold.
Yes.
This is the marigold.
Yes.
Which one good one? What that good for me?
This one, it's good for loss of memory.
Loss of memory.
Yes.
Oh.
And
Know some
this,
people who might need some of that, you know.
yes, and this is guinea this
Chicken
is
weed.
Chicken weed.
Yes, man. Chicken weed, chicken weed, chicken
Yes,
weed.
chicken
I'm
weed.
sure you have guinea hen about the place here. We're going,
Yeah, we have guinea hen
of course.
around that
You know, see the Spanish needle. Man, why you go with
Hey,
Christina?
Spanish nigger.
Spanish needle, chamomile.
Yes.
Our Jamaican chamomile, this, you know, for relaxation, for nerves.
Okay.
Yes, man.
okay.
Yes, man.
And it's good for infection too.
Good for infection. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
More dandelion. Oh, come. So you have the
Oh, we have the we have the
what's that again? What is this again, guys? What is this again?
oh, this one you're talking?
Yeah.
Tamarind.
Tamarind.
Yes.
Tamarind. I said I need some of the marigold for the memory.
Oh, you need some.
no, I'm just saying
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Almost forget
Oh.
Tamarind.
Tamarind.
You were telling me. You were
Yes.
telling me a story about the tamarind.
Yes.
Quickly.
A lady said she drink the tamarind and it help her just even better than now the soursop. You know the soursop.
Powerful.
It's powerful.
Yeah.
She said this when she drink this little more she don't wake up until the next day. She said put her to bed.
Rest.
She said she rest. So she asked me to bring some more for her.
Tamarind.
Yeah, tamarind.
Bass again.
Yes.
Oh, we almost missed the. Hold on, guys. The papaya. Here's the papaya. We did a video on that with
Yes.
Messina.
Yes.
If you missed that video, make sure
Yes.
you check the description to find it. That was our first video with her.
So what about the eggplant there?
Eggplant, where's that?
See it there?
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Eggplant.
Yes.
Yes. The eggplant. Not eggplant they call it. Egg fruit.
Egg fruit.
Egg fruit. Yeah, man. We did a video on this one too with Miss Marcia. There's a link in the description. We have done quite a few of them, you know.
Yes.
Wow, this is lovely.
She's on single baby.
Miss Ina.
Aloe vera.
Miss Ina living the life in the country. Man.
Vera.
Aloe vera. Yes. Yeah, so you see,
Dopigon.
this is Dopigon?
See there?
Nice.
Yes.
This is a bad boy too, you know,
Yes,
in roots tonic.
Yes, roots tonic. Yes, man.
Yes, this is Dopigon.
Yes, man.
Ah, nice.
And this one is
Oregano. We call it mint
we call it we use it as we call it basil.
basil.
Yeah.
This one?
It's another type, yes.
Ooh,
Smelly.
I call it Mexican mint.
Okay.
Not Mexican mint, oregano.
Oregano.
Oregano. It has a really
strong, yes.
Flavor, guys. The people use it in meat. I put it.
And people use it in tea too.
All right, so I tell you what, I made tea with it.
Yes.
The other day I was making some vegetables, you know. Yeah, man, some vegetable. So I make breakfast like every Sunday morning and stuff like that, and I put it in there.
Yeah.
Cut it up, you know, green season and give me that. And the bigger one claims that want me to do different, you want more, you know. It's bad, man. It seasons the food really nice, you know.
Yes.
Use it up, guys. Use it. We have it a lot here as well. Yeah. Grow well and it grow very fast.
Fast. I have another bigger root over there.
Nice. And
all right, the passion.
Yeah, passion fruit. Yeah, you have passion fruit. Oh, hold on. I see passion fruit here, just hanging off the tree here.
Yes.
It's almost ready.
Yes.
But okay, so this is Anata.
Yeah, the Anata.
Anata tree.
Yes.
I did a video with Mr. I call him Sir Tom. As a Caucasian man I don't know if you know him. He in Retrieve in Westmont.
Miss Retrieve over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he cultivates exotic fruits and stuff.
Okay.
He has about 100 exotic fruit up there. There's a link to his video, guys. Yes. In the description. He tells me that this one here is Anata here.
Yeah.
Is probably the most underrated plant. He thinks it can do wonders. The anti-cancer properties potent, you know. Okay. Yes, man. But I see
people don't talk much about it.
Yes. And this is the fruit of the passion fruit. This is
the blossom.
The blossom, sorry.
Yes,
yeah. It's just beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful.
And then see a limb there with some nice fruits.
Yes, man. I see it, man. I see it. This is awesome. Miss Ina, you know, you're rich here, right?
Really?
Yes, man. You're rich. You have the real stuff here, Miss Ina.
This is the Search Me Heart, right?
Search Me Heart. Hold on, this is pretty. I want to take a picture of this one here. So yes, so this is the Anata, and I should probably show. You can find one of the seeds. I could show. Oh, all the seeds gone, but this is the shell.
We have seeds up there, you know.
Oh, you have seeds. It's okay.
Seeds.
Okay, we have seeds, but this one here, man. This one here.
Okay.
Yeah, I think. Friend. Oh, there you go. Anata. With the seeds. So right here. So we're not making up stuff. This is not copy and paste stuff. This is the real stuff, guys. That's the beauty of what we have in Jamaica. We don't have to sit around a computer and make stuff up.
No.
We have it live in living color here. Yeah. This is the moringa. This is the moringa again. Another bass, as Miss Watkins would say. Fruiting moringa, the leaves, everything about this plant here.
The blossom, the bark. This is the root.
The root, yeah, man, the moringa. Yes. We give thanks.
Yeah, we give thanks.
And this is?
Leaf of Life.
Leaf of Life.
Yes.
That is another powerhouse. I'm doing something on that, you know. Guys, by the way, some of these herbs I have on my e-store. There's a link in the description to it. I'm hoping to get this one here and there though. It's hard to it doesn't dry easy, you know that, eh?
I dry it, you know.
Oh, you dry it?
I get a box and you just pick off the leaves. Make sure you have it in the heat daily. You turn them, then dry so quick.
No, I have mine in for like a week in the sun trying to dry it.
Yeah, just turn it. You have some in Montego Bay. Dry it till it crisp.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna try it because I want to share it with some of my audience.
Yeah,
my audience
just get a box.
I've been asking me for
it out in it and make sure you pick off the leaf from here, so and put it out. And you turn it. Turn it daily.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So by the time you see this video, guys, chances are I have it in the e-store, so you can check the description for that.
Yes.
And this and many other herbs that I have on there. And by the way, Miss Ina as well, she has a shop in the market.
Yes.
And she sell and distribute all kind of herbs, hundreds of herbs. Of
just
Jamaican.
Remember the names.
Ina.
What you need.
Yes.
It's because sometimes people come to you for a herb and they come in a different name from what you know it from. But so if they could describe it as well, then you would easily pick it up.
Yes, and the big man is here. That's the boss.
Yes.
What you mean, man? All right, so we were wondering if we were gonna meet you, man. All right, just a come from the bush. All right, blessed man, good to meet you.
Yes, sir.
All right, the boss is here, guys. The boss is here. All right, good. All right, and this is
Eh?
This is like a bean.
This is a, you know, Jerusalem peas.
Yes, man. Yes. I love it. Look at fine peas.
Yes.
Who remember that one?
Let me show you a good patch of it here.
My grandmother in the country had one and used to grow in the outside kitchen, you know.
Let me show you a patch of it.
And every Christmas, you know.
Yes, man.
We look forward to that, you know, because there's nothing sweeter.
Yes.
Well, are you going past the Search Me Heart or are you coming back?
We can come.
We can come back. Yes. All right. We are both see we have them like that, guys. We can show off. All right. Nice, loving country area. This is Jerusalem.
This is the Jerusalem peas. Yes, I have a little bean about the place too with it. I have callaloo. You know that is by the callaloo and just cut off the end part and just stick it.
That's what you did?
Yes.
And it grow like that?
See it there? Just cut off the end part and just stick it.
Oh, look at that.
Around 3 times I cut callaloo. Yes, and I have a lot more over the other side.
Look at that. Look at that. We're not supposed to be hungry. We're not supposed to be hungry.
No, we're not supposed to be hungry.
We need to teach our people how to do these things, how to cultivate these things, because nature work with you if you work with it. Not true?
Yes. It is another type of okra.
Okra?
Yes.
No, man. You don't eat it raw, right? You don't have no raw?
No, ready one.
No ready one. But okra is here.
Yes, and that is cassava.
Cassava. If we were counting, chances are we're gone about 35 herbs already. Not true? Mountain sap. All right. Yes. I did a video on that too. If you don't know mountain sap, guys, it's similar to sour sap.
Yes.
But people swear by it. It's really sticky, gooey. Yes. People swear by it that it's more powerful than sour sap. That's what they say.
Yeah.
That's what they say. So and then this is
that is
Jack and a bush.
Jack and a bush.
You know me stuff with me see. Jack and a bush a long time to do this, man. Another boss here too. Yes. Jack and a bush, man. And of course, more banana. More coconuts.
Yes.
More breadfruit.
And this is what the pumpkin look like when it's just growing.
Pumpkin planting, yeah. Cocoa.
Yes.
Cocoa.
And this is the chocho.
Yes, man. Oh, I love it. I love it. I start to love it now. Yes. I hear how good it is.
Yes.
Especially people with blood pressure.
Yes.
All right. So here is Martin. Take a note. Pause right now. Get your pen or your notebook, guys, and write this down. If you have high blood pressure, I'm told this is from Pat, one of my herbalists.
Yes.
Serial herbalist person. Yes. Powerful, strong woman in the thing.
Yes.
She said, guess what? You have high blood pressure. This here, the fruit.
Yes.
Just cut it up and blend it, just like that. Cut it up and blend it and drink it.
Yes.
Concentrate it.
Okay.
And in no time, pressure gone down.
And
I think I'm lucky if you find one of the baby who plant here, right?
Yes.
See one here, man.
Plant. One of the baby. This one baby. Breeze blow after that.
Yeah, breeze blow this one. Yes. But we give thanks.
Yeah.
The breeze blow for me to get access to it.
I believe I have up there where you could.
You have? Okay, cool. Yes. And this is like a orange or tangerine?
Sour orange.
People are running it down now.
Yes.
Because we can't get no lime.
You can't get no lime.
Cocoa down the
man. Cocoa.
Cocoa. What you saying? Oh, this is lovely stuff. The herb tour, guys, with Miss Ina. I couldn't resist it. Pumpkin, the pumpkin running here. Look at them pretty. Yes. Look at them leaf there. What? Yes.
Big and bold.
Yeah, man. Oh, I hear me sound energetic. I'm gonna be honest with you. When I came here this morning, I feel really jaded. And Miss Ina give me some hot chocolate tea, and the rest is history, guys. What is so? Potato. Sweet potato. Yes, man. Somebody already comment on that, you know.
Yes.
And more arrowroot. Nothing under these arrowroot there, no, not true. Nothing under here, no, not true.
No, nothing under.
No, it makes sense to pull none.
No.
All right.
Young.
But this is the, as I said, this is the chocho. Cut it up, blend it. Or people understand too that you can just eat it, you know. People eat it. Yeah, they just eat it. They say it tastes like I have a chewy, like American apple.
Yes.
You know that chewy?
Yes.
American apple?
Yeah.
So what I do, I slice it up like cucumber. Thin.
Yes.
Like you're using it as a garnish or something. I slice it up and just eat it slice by slice.
Okay.
And it works wonders for me.
Really?
Yes, man. That's how I use it.
Really?
So we're learning from each other.
Yes.
And nice, and I yam this. I yam here.
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam, man. Yellow yam. Yes.
So it grow like it's sarsaparilla.
Yes. Yes. All right. Pause now, guys, and big up Miss Ina for me right now. Don't need to big her up right now. Don't need to big her up. Don't need to share the video right now, Miss Ina. Do good things in the country.
Yes.
And if you happen to be in the town area, if you come to Jamaica or in the St. James area, you check her out. She's in the market. Miss Ina in the market, yes. And her number. You want to share your number again while you're walking?
Yes, man. My number is 876. 876 465 50 12.
Oh, wonderful. I see more spirit weed.
Spirit weed?
Yes.
Yes.
But I also see some of the baby tomato that I haven't seen.
That is the first time.
For original first time tomato.
Yes.
Who remember this?
Yes.
This is the original, not the big old.
No, not the big one.
The big one when now people cultivate
That's right.
Commercially.
This is the first time.
This is tomato.
Tomato.
Yes. This is tomato. When last you see something like this, talk to me in the comments right now. Please. I want to hear from you guys. Look how them pretty. Oh man, this is lovely. This is lovely.
Here. And it run like yam, you know.
Yeah, I realize. Yes,
run like yam.
What is this? A lime tree?
Yes, it's a lime tree.
Oh, but we have a problem with the limes now. No. In Jamaica. Yeah, that's true. Oh, this is more. Tomato. What do I call them again? You have a name for them?
Just tomato.
Those are regular tomato. All right, cool. Oh, well, we missed the
Susumba.
Oh, Susumba. Blessed love fire. All right, that's the man that's passing, guys. Susumba. What's Susumba good for again?
They say good for pressure, you know.
Pressure as well.
Because
but the fruit, we eat it as.
We eat it.
Rundown.
Cook it in rundown.
Yes.
And because it's so bitter, they say it's good for the pressure as well.
Detox as well.
Yes. And this, this is the same Jerusalem peas.
Jerusalem peas. I pull it up?
No, I don't pull it. Just what it is on.
Okay.
I'm going to show you this one. This is engine scale.
What is that?
Engine scale.
What is that?
It's full of vitamin.
Oh.
When you go to the doctor office, you find this on the chart all the while.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. You just get the leaf like this. You strip it like the callaloo. And you cook it, steam it with your callaloo. Yes.
Oh, nice.
And first time people make pepper pot soup.
Yes. Yes.
This is another type of callaloo too.
Yeah. More arrowroot. Oh, this one. This is the wild.
This is they call it fat and barrow. See?
Wild callaloo, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Rundown.
Nice, yes.
Very healthy.
Very nice and healthy.
Oh.
Yes, so this is another bird pepper.
I want to pick one now and swallow it again.
Yeah.
It's all about 2 already in the community now. Yes, man. Bird pepper, guys. Bird pepper, the real stuff.
Yes, another one here.
Not take too much on Mr.
Okay.
Because it's burned.
Yes, burned.
All right. Tell me so far what you're thinking. What you're thinking in your head. What jump out at you. Talk to me in the comments. Guys. More passion fruit.
Passion.
More passion. Passion. Yeah, passion. I have a nice patch of farm. Passion, yeah. You have a nice patch of farm. What is that?
This is... Oh, Lord. Don't tell you what I mean.
Oh, yes.
Spinach. Yes.
Spinach.
When you go around that side to the cobra,
you'll
find it better because through this come up and I didn't make the harbor fight,
Yeah.
But it take over.
Yeah.
And it seems like it's running out the passion.
All right.
The passion running it out.
All right, cool.
All right, these are callaloo,
Yes, more callaloo. Same way you stick it.
Callaloo, same way me just stick them.
Pick the end and stick it in the.
Stick them.
Stick it in the ground and look at that.
And this is tobacco.
Tobacco. You don't smoke that though?
No, man.
Big man smoke it, I say.
No, you not do no smoking from the damn barn.
Oh,
no
nice.
Drink, no.
Yeah, somebody like me.
No smoking.
Never put a cigarette.
But say these things just go up in the yard.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Just go up.
Oh.
Yeah. Just go up. We never plant it.
Oh.
Just go up.
But you take care of it though, obviously.
Yes, take care of it.
Good,
just
good.
the same. And people come and ask me for it, then get it.
Yeah. You give them a plant.
When I did have children going up, running 68, I just see this thing go up and it was mom's time.
Oh.
And a lot of people get benefit from
Oh, lovely.
it. Yes.
Oh, yes, because people use it for mums.
Mums, yes.
Yeah.
And this is carrot.
Yes, man, I see it.
And it sows some
Tell me something.
seeds.
You put fertilizer on them?
No, man.
And them so fat and nice.
Fat and nice.
Yeah.
We don't use no fertilizer because my husband plant some pepper here and he say, if I chew them no fertilizer, they won't bear. Sweet pepper this, they no bear.
No, man, don't worry about it. In time. Them look good. Them look good.
They
though.
look good.
Yeah.
And we have bird pepper sucker. See, all I do is a sucker, bird pepper sucker.
Yeah. Oh, wow, this is just fascinating, man. This is fascinating.
Yes.
This is lovely, guys. This is the farm tour unedited. You're getting it live and in living color.
You want to do the pulpit?
Oh, this is a coal pit?
Yes.
Oh, your husband made this too?
Yes.
Same sell coal?
Yes, he sell coal. He sell it at home. And other
I didn't know people
come
still do this, man.
Yes, man.
Oh, what you saying? No, this is a second bonus. I have a third bonus for you guys. So he makes this and light it and get him coal from it.
Yes, so I'm going to put more dirt on it. Those trash you see we have there, we're going to take it up, put it on it, and then put the dirt on it, and then we light it. And it stay there and steam the green wood. And
yes,
the green wood
these wood
out.
here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And these would come out now as coal.
Oh, this is lovely. So hold on, him cut all of them wood here?
All of them.
Oh, man, powerful, man.
Yes, man. And him is 88.
What?
Yes.
How about you say him not smoke on them thing there?
You know, smoke, you know, drink.
And you not drink?
No, sir.
You hear that, young man? What the young man watching?
Drinking herbs.
Yes. But if you have, well, me should have know better still, you know.
Yes.
Because if you did them or something, and do for so much people.
That's right.
Your husband must nice.
I feel nice, really.
I feel nice.
Yes. And that is the red water grass.
Red water grass, another bass again, as Miss Watkins would say. Wow. We are run back round the side of the door, Miss. Remember we never finished round there?
And we're not going fall cub yet.
Oh, the fall cub, yes. No, we have to go the fall cub first because actually, funny enough, guys, you hear the exuberance in my voice and the excitement. When I met Miss here, it's an egg. I met her buying egg from her, and we had a discussion, and one thing lead to the other. But she told me that she raised fowl. And see them there? Come on, fowl. Mixed up all kind of fowl. She raised them for the egg.
Yes.
Three more. They lay again?
Yeah, they lay.
So them know if you come in here?
Yeah, they know if you come in here.
Oh,
that's where they lay.
Oh, that is nice. This is nice. Oh, boy.
Baby chicken.
Baby chicken.
Let me open the door. Make you see
no, man, I see them.
Yeah.
I see them. So, are the one up there lay them? Or you buy them?
That one lay them.
Oh, you didn't buy them? You didn't buy any, you let them just lay?
I didn't just lay and I just put them on the egg and they set the egg and come out to the chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so basically you're not buying the chicken in the farm store?
No,
no,
man.
Nice.
See someone that here, so you get all different kind of chicken. You have sense, eh? See them? I just them, mother hatch them.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And you told me you feed them with
I feed them with coconut. You see the coconut ox them?
Yes.
Just cut it and put it in there and then eat it out.
Yes. And you give them like this. Turn this over. And let me eat it out. Yes.
Yeah, they eat it out.
Nice. This is lovely. But you live. I feel like this is the life I want to live when I grow up.
She may have more down there, you know.
Yes. It says about 3-4 cub. 3 cub, right?
Yeah, more 3 cub. See some here. Because they go up different stages, so you have to put them different.
Yes, lock the door,
and you know, if you even open the door, they don't stay long out here, because they're not used to out here.
Oh, okay, good. They're used to them company, them local community.
Yes.
Speaking of community, guys, we have a community, a vibrant community called Jam Hearts Academy. There's a link to it in the description. If you want to learn more, if you want to connect with the rest of us, if you want to network with the rest of us in a private way, Jam Hearts Academy at jamhearts.org, www.jamhearts.org. Check us out. These are some ducks.
Yes, we have more ducks over there.
Nice.
And see some more chicken here.
Nice. This is a bonus. A bonus to forget it now. I noticed you remember you told me you put one rooster.
Yes.
I want to use the right word, so
yes.
When I get in trouble.
This is a rooster.
in each cub.
Yes.
Yeah, because they will fight.
Yeah, they will fight.
Yeah. Spinach.
Yes.
Spinach. Popeye spinach.
Yes.
Why your husband at 88, man, must bad for you. Because they might get all of the good food. All of the good food,
man.
All of the good food. This is the life. I love it.
You boil coconut oil.
Oh, you boil coconut oil too?
Yes, man. We use that. That's what we use.
Oh, nice. All natural stuff.
All natural stuff.
Well, I love it. And I'm glad I'm able to
come
to experience this, Miss Ina. This is somebody who is a product of the product, guys. So she sells natural stuff, herbal stuff, and she is a living, breathing testimony to what she's doing. All right, see another cube here, aloe vera over here.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm glad we're able to connect. Oh, connect. Yes, the
search me
heart. Yes. Oh, another magical plant, you know.
Yes.
All right, man. Wow. All right, guys. So this video is a little bit long, but bear with me. Bear with me, please. I had to show you.
Breadfruit.
I had to show you. Just had to show you everything. Well, I hope it's not even everything, but whatever I see, I just had to call it out and show you. We already show you oregano. It's here. Another full cup there. It's ackee over there. I think I spot a couple. And there we show you breadfruit. There's a mango tree way down the bottom there.
Way down?
Yeah, there's a mango tree with mangoes on it right now. Banana again. This is a plum. June plum?
Yes, June plum.
Yeah, man, June plum.
Size.
In a few weeks you have.
Yes, you have.
Can make a juice.
Yes.
Yeah, this looks like something else. What is this thing?
This is a flowers.
A flowers, okay.
Yes.
All right, over there is star apple.
Yes.
Man, star apple.
We have cane.
Cane, sugar cane. Oh, this is your cane?
My cane.
Oh, no, I forget you two cane. Yes. Oh, dear, man. Nice. This is the life. I love it. I absolutely enjoy. This is one of the tours, one of the features that I absolutely enjoy. We came here to do a video, different video on the papaya, guys, and look what we have found. Look what we have found. Gourd up there as well. I heard gourd is something.
Yeah, gourd.
Inside of the gourd is good for other purposes.
I heard, you know.
Yes, man.
I heard that it's good for cancer.
That's what I heard.
Yes.
But people holding it down.
Yeah, they
But the Rasta do, you know. Rastafarians, they know that.
Yes. Somebody told me you get the young gourd.
Yeah.
Put on the pot on the fire, make it hot, and put the gourd in and keep on turn it till it gets soft. Take it out and cut it and pour out what's inside.
Oh man. Somebody just got me the recipe.
Yay!
But this is it. Thank you, Miss Ina. This is boss stuff.
Yes.
Thank you for all you do, and thank you to the big man. Wow, he's doing very well.
Yes,
a 90-year-old, and I cut down wood and I make him cool and doing well. But as I say, but you see him take care of himself. Him not eat no smoke.
No,
and no alcohol and him something.
No alcohol.
So to God be the glory. My church man too.
Yes, man.
Very good.
Yes,
I mean, of you, of course, you too. So your lives are a testimony
to
the goodness of God, you know?
The goodness
man, all glory to him.
Yes, man. All praise belongs unto him.
Yeah, man. So thank you so much. Thank you for the tour.
Thank you.
And I expect some good things. Anybody want to reach you again? 876-465.
To the nutmeg tree.
Oh, you're not showing me the nutmeg tree yet?
No.
All right, tell me the number and then we'll show you the nutmeg tree. 465.
5012.
5012.
Yes.
All right. And let's see if we can find a nutmeg tree.
Let me take you to the nutmeg.
Oh, this is
cocoa.
This is cocoa.
Yes.
The cocoa beans.
Yes.
You use it to make the chocolate.
Yes.
And some chicken with this?
No, that is strong back and that is busy.
Strong back.
That is busy.
The busy. You have busy tree here too?
Yeah, busy tree they way
further over.
So. Yeah, we can't go on this.
All right, we can't go so far. Boy, I'm gonna tell you, if this lady here, you know, somebody gonna call you and ask you if they can come check out some of them stuff here where you're there, right? You know Miss Ina?
Yes, I know.
Somebody gonna want to call you and say, Miss Ina, can I come up at your house and look at some of this stuff?
You know.
This is what?
Lemon.
Lemon, yeah. Oh, lemon, yeah.
But you know, lemon out of season now.
Yes. All right, so we're going to the...
This is a nutmeg tree.
Oh, yes, nutmeg tree. Nutmeg tree. We did a video, guys, on the nutmeg. Yes, yeah, man, same one.
Yes.
I understand you have male and female nutmeg.
Yes, see this smaller one there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We have a bigger one, but it died, so you plant that one.
So you get nutmeg off it?
Yes, man.
Wow.
Yes, man. It's beer.
Oh, nice.
Let me see, now.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh my gosh. This is good stuff. Coconut,
The young one coming out here.
Coconut. Oh, baby one here. Yes. Yes, young one there. Huh? All right. Up. Nice. Wow. So much to see. So much to share. Pineapple. So much. More cow foot leaf. I'm enjoying this, guys. I'm sure you're enjoying it too. So I needed to just, again, and you need to share this video. Enlighten somebody's day. Huh?
Fresh coat coming up.
Fresh coat, where's that?
See them here?
Oh yeah, nice. Okay, cool.
Just coming up.
Cool. And this is the pineapple here, where?
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Sugar pine, that name.
Sugar pine,
I was looking if I see any big size, nothing big.
That's fine, man.
I don't see any.
That's fine. I'm eating, guys, the tomato, the original tomato.
Hi.
The cherry tomato. Yeah, cherry, I think they used to call them.
Cherry tomato.
Yes, these are the ones here.
Yes. Yeah,
all natural, fully organic.
Baby mouth, when baby. Small baby.
All right. All right, well, guess what, guys? If you need anything more, you have to call Miss Ina. We have to call Miss Ina. I don't want to make the video too long. This is it. We have to cut off at some point. But this is lovely. This is all the lovely. What, a potato growing on top of the roof?
Yes.
What were you saying?
Yes, man. I was saying to my husband the other day, say, if we didn't have time, we put some dirt up there. That beer, you know?
Yes. On top of the full cube.
Yes.
Boy, you are blessed.
And see the dandelion, them
you
beer, them
are blessed.
Go over there, go pick them.
Oh, wow. You are blessed. All right. Thank you, Miss Ina.
You're welcome.
All right. So just turn and say bye to everybody and tell them again. Just say one more time. Heal up. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Make sure. All right. Good.
See you and hear from you
very soon. Yes, man. Yes. All right. Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. This is fascinating, man. The herb tour. Miss Ina. This was totally unplanned. Totally unplanned. But you saw that. This is just amazing stuff. Brought back so many memories. I hope it did for you as well. There's another video you need to see. And I'm gonna. This one is another herb tour that I did in St. Anne. Medicinal herb tour, 60 medicinal herbs of Jamaica. You need to see it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. That's the one where you get to learn about the herbs and all of their uses and everything like that. You need to see it. Check it out. All right? Share this video. If you do nothing else, please share this video and brighten somebody's day. See you in the next one. So one more thing. You didn't see this, guys, but this is, of course, we come to country and we're always well taken care of. This is what is left. This is what is left of it, you know? Always a bag of goodies, always a bag of goodies.